Today we're exploring Carver, Minnesota. This is a growing community with beautiful neighborhoods, great schools, and it's got that welcoming small town feel. In this tour, you'll get to look inside two unique homes, each offering its own style and features. From the thoughtful layouts to modern finishes, these homes highlight why so many people are choosing to make Carver their home. I'm Mark Comparato, broker associate with the Call the Comps real estate team at Real Broker, where I work alongside my wife Brittany. We love helping people on their real estate journey, so if you think Carver or any of the surrounding areas might be the right place for you, go ahead and give us a call and we'll set up a chat to see if we can help. And if you like home tours and local community spotlights, don't forget to subscribe and follow along for more videos. Let's start the tour. All right, we're at 2001 Tamarack Road in the Preserve neighborhood. This retired 2022 Arden model home features 5 bedrooms, 4 baths with a 3-car garage and just over 3,200 square feet of living space. Listed at $645,990, this home sits on a highly sought after corner lot, has beautiful sunset views over the conservation wetlands, and it comes fully loaded with upgrades. So let's head inside and I'll have my wife Brittany tell you all about the design features and custom touches that make this home a must-see.
Located just minutes from Highway 212 and Jonathan Carver Parkway, this home offers convenient access to trendy restaurants, bars, lakes, Carver Park Reserve, entertainment venues, and so much more. From the moment you arrive, the Southern-style covered front porch and professional landscaping set the tone for what's inside. Step through the front door, and you'll be greeted with custom design touches, upgraded flooring, designer lighting, high-end trim accents, and unique wall coverings that give this home a truly custom feel. The main floor features a spacious flex room, perfect for a home office or study, and walls of sunlit windows in the morning room that flood the home with natural light. The gourmet kitchen is a showstopper, with Frigidaire gallery smudge-proof appliances, two-tone craftsman cabinetry with under-cabinet lighting, an oversized granite island, and a walk-in pantry. Upstairs, you'll find the owner's suite, a private retreat complete with its own bathroom, 3 additional guest rooms, a full hall bath, and a convenient walk-in laundry room complete the upper level. This one-of-a-kind 2022 Arden model home by Brandel Anderson Homes is loaded with incredible upgrades and boasts nearly 3,300 finished square feet of beautifully designed living space. Brandel Anderson Homes has been recognized for creating timeless residences with innovative designs, quality craftsmanship, and thoughtful details that stand the test of time. This Arden model is a perfect example, blending a highly functional floor plan with custom finishes and refined character throughout. For buyers exploring homes like this, having the right guidance is key. From understanding builder upgrades to navigating pricing incentives, experienced agents like Mark and I can help you evaluate options and secure the best possible deal, whether that means saving money upfront or reallocating funds to buy your interest rate down. You can always reach out to us directly for more information about this home or to simply have a conversation about what it takes to buy a home in today's market. assets include an insulated 3-car garage, a full irrigation system, and beautiful landscaping, all included. And here's the bonus: there are no HOA fees. This home also features a finished basement that expands your living space even further, with a large rec room, a game room, a guest or fitness room, a full bathroom, and plenty of storage for your household treasures. Right now, this home is being offered with a huge price discount as part of the Parade of Homes, with special promotional dollars available. Buyers can even choose to reallocate some of these savings towards lowering their interest rate if they prefer. Be sure to drop a comment if you have any questions, or just to let us know what you think of this home. We love hearing from you.
Thank you, Brittany. We're going to go over to the next home in Carver, where we'll explore another beautifully designed home with its own unique features. Let's go check it out. Alright, next up we're at 2005 Mulberry Lane in the highly sought after Brookview neighborhood. This brand new Rambler offers 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. It's got a 2.5-car garage and over 2,300 square feet of finished living space. It's offered at $574,900. Let's head inside and see all the thoughtful details, style, and functionality that make this home move-in ready.
To this brand new Rambler presented by Top Notch Construction in the highly desired Brookview neighborhood of Carver. Just minutes from downtown Chaska, this home combines modern design, convenience, and comfort, all in a move-in ready package with immediate showings and quick closing available. Top Notch Construction has built a strong reputation in the community for delivering homes that blend craftsmanship with livability. Every detail is carefully considered, from the functionality of the floor plans to the premium finishes that make a house feel like a home. Their dedication to quality, service, and long-term value has made them one of the area's most trusted builders. Top Notch Construction has multiple lots available here in Brookview. Choose from a variety of home packages or let them design a custom plan that perfectly fits your lifestyle. Inside, you'll find a thoughtfully designed floor plan offering 2,330 finished square feet, with additional storage space in the lower level. The open concept main floor highlights a large great room, a bright dining area, and a beautifully appointed kitchen featuring quartz countertops, black stainless steel appliances, and custom soft close wood cabinetry. Further into the home on the main floor is the luxurious owner suite, featuring a walk-in tiled shower that extends to the ceiling and a generously sized walk-in closet. Every corner of this home reflects top-notch construction's commitment to style, comfort, and functionality. Also features a fully finished lower level, where you'll find a spacious family room complete with a cozy fireplace, custom built-ins, and plenty of room for entertaining or relaxing with family and friends. Buyers, having the right team in your corner can make all the difference. Whether navigating a quick close on a move-in ready property like this, or working through the design and build process on a brand new custom home, guidance, experience, and local expertise help ensure you get the right home and the best representation from start to finish. If you'd like to schedule a private showing of this home, or explore other available options in Brookview, reach out today. Opportunities like this don't last long, and having the right representation ensures you find the perfect fit.
Alright, that wraps up our tour of these two amazing homes in Carver. From the Preserve to Brookview, each home offered its own unique style, thoughtful design, and fantastic features. We'd love to hear which one was your favorite. Go ahead and drop a comment and let us know. And if you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to subscribe and follow along for more home tours and community spotlights, because you never know, your dream home could be one tour away. I'll see you next time.